Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Speedboat Maniac 410. As you already know, I'm Wes Elmendorf, and this is my nephew, Christian.
Yeah.
So anyway, today we're running a couple errands. We're heading to the hardware store and to the automotive parts store to get a couple things. We're heading up to and sitting in traffic again. It seems like every time we're sitting in traffic. It's the Bay Bridge traffic going to Ocean City eastbound. We're heading up to Easton. Anyway, we're going to the hardware store today because Christian and I came up with an idea yesterday while we were working on the boat, specifically in the engine compartment. And as you guys know, it's the spring and summertime and it gets hot. We're here in Maryland. The humidity's unbearable and the sun beats on you in the noonday from like 11 to like 3 o'clock. It's like brutal. And it was like 91 degrees yesterday, which isn't super hot. I know if you're in Arizona, you're like, dude, that's nothing. It's 137 here. 91's hot. You know, I got no hair. I'm not wearing a hat sometimes. Anyway, so we decided we were going to put up my Easy Up tent. That spreads open. You throw the little nylon roof on it, the nylon tarp with the Velcro straps, and try to somehow position it above the boat. Christian goes, well, the only thing I know to do, we can just lean it on and lay it on top of the hatches when they're up. Now, you guys haven't seen the boat up close cosmetically. The boat's not in the super greatest shape cosmetically. But it's not bad shape, but it's just not perfect. It needs some interior work, some glass work, some gel coat repair around some edges and some hairline cracks and things. So, same with the interior, like the back seat's cracking up a little bit. So long story short, which it's too late for that now, we put the tent on top. We just set it on top of the hatches when they were up. You know, they go up all but like 5 degrees or something. So we set it up there. We had to duck underneath, but it provided a lot of shade while we were working. So we get down while it's up there, and we were worried about the wind blowing it and it flying off and scratching the boat because it was kind of windy today, windy yesterday also. So I said, well, why don't we make some kind of blocks or stanchions to put it on and screw it to, even though it's temporary. Just take a little Phillips drill bit gun, driver gun, and screw down some Phillips with some washers to hold the feet down to some sort of wooden blocks. So we're gonna go to the hardware store and get some 6x6s. Probably 8 foot long, cut them in half at 4 feet. So there'll be 6x6 stanchion blocks. Cut them off with a Sawzall or a skill saw. We have to make 2 passes if they're too thick. Make sure they're even. Stand them up. Screw the feet down when we want to work on the boat in the midday sun. And we can also scoot it, maybe, I don't know how easy it'll be, over top of like the cockpit if you're working in the cockpit on a summer day. Look, these guys do this whenever they go to races. They have their own tent set up, of course, but they have a crew and a team that sets all that stuff up like a half a day before they arrive. Like, not all of them, but they have their own tents and stuff. So it helps when you're working on the boat. So we're going to do that, and we have some other items that we're going to pick up too. Like what, Christian? What else is on our little list? Take a look and see on our list right here for what we're going to do and get.
Well, we're going to get cucumbers.
Can you speak up? Speak up into the camera to your YouTube family.
We're going to get cucumbers, corn, tomatoes, onions.
No.
Peaches.
Not
it's a
food.
joke.
That's for the party.
Calm down, it's a joke.
That's for the party later.
Yeah.
He's telling jokes again now, guys. He thinks he's funny.
I've always told jokes.
This guy.
Yeah, we're getting the 2 6x6s.
Switch glasses. Yeah. Did you clean those?
Yeah.
Let's see how they work now. Now look, $8, $208. $8, $208.
$5.
5. Okay. So read out loudly. You need to speak up. Apparently your voice is too low. We had some people comment that says, he's whispering. He's whispering.
There's 0 comments on the videos.
We had 38 views. Okay.
30.
Don't make fun of it. Right now we had 38 if you check.
30.
Dude, it's going viral. It's going,
All right,
dude,
so we're getting
it's
one.
going virus.
Hey.
It's going virus.
We're getting 1 gallon of acetone, which if you read that backwards, it says acetone.
Whoa. It's ACE,
I know.
not ASS.
I did that on purpose. We're getting Gorilla Tape.
Quit talking about how you're doing everything on purpose to be funny.
Get out of here.
They'll either get it or they won't. Speak up.
I'm not talking.
How's your lip doing? His
Fine.
lip swelled up this morning. He's allergic to coffee grinds or something.
No.
He was chewing on his lip last night when he was sleeping. Show him. Show him. See right there. It's a little swollen. Take out.
All right, we're getting a header bolt,
Right.
an Allen key set.
For that fits the header bolt.
Yes.
Yes.
And
Now, is that good English? For that fits the header bolt.
yes.
For that hits the header bolt.
And we're getting Meemaw bird feeder.
Yeah. That don't have nothing to do with the boating stuff,
Well,
but that's
We're getting marine
his
anti-seed.
grandmother, my mom. We're going to get her a bird feeder because she wants to look out of her window and see the birds flying around and pecking at the seeds. Go ahead.
We're getting marine anti-seize, marine gear
bolts.
grease,
Yeah, right.
the zinc,
Now, some of that we're going to get at the marine store, or we're going to get it on Amazon Prime. Online,
And-
I should just say online. We're going to get it online.
and a plug cap.
A plug cap for the header that you lost, for the header plug cap. I'm not always blaming him. I'm just saying, like, anytime something's lost, it seems like he's involved. And I'm like, have you seen that piece? So, anyway, we'll get back with you a little later when we're running the errands and whatnot. Welcome to Ocean City traffic. Again, we're heading eastbound. All these lights going out to Ocean City.
I'm still learning about life. My woman brought children for me, so I can sing them all my songs and I can tell them stories.
America.
Most of my
All right.
boys are with
So
me,
anyway,
some are still out seeking glory.
we're just taking a look.
Some I had to leave behind. My
Give dude a
brothers
thumbs up.
This,
I'll be soon, I'll be 60 years old. My daddy got 61. Remember life and they
look, this
know
Mini
life
Cooper, we're about ready. It's a supercharged one, but I don't think they know where the gas pedal's at.
Go around them.
Oh wait, they're texting and driving.
Honk at them. Honk, be like, it's the one on the right.
Hey, hold on. Christian's getting a cart. It's a high performance cart.
No video in your store, sir.
No? Alright. What do you say? So this is what we're going to do. 6x6 is right here. We're going to a couple of these. We got them 6x4 too. What do you think, Christian? He's going to have to cut them loose. They're still bound up. We got to get a pair of snips. Those are 12-footers. We got to find 8-footers. What do you think? No, this is the real section here, right here. Right here. See? 6x6x8.
Those are heavy.
Yeah. Grab 2 of them. You grab that because they're pressure treated, they're wet. Put one on one rail and one on the other. Watch your finger. Okay, set it over the breath. Go on the back side. Uno más. One more. One more. And uno más cerveza means one more beer. Okay. Watch your fingers. He didn't eat his Wheaties this morning, y'all. I did what? I did what? Now he's all that. A minute ago it was all common. So now let's go find all that other stuff. We need acetone, different things like that.
There, you crossed it off.
What did you cross off?
6 by 6 by 8.
Show me.
Right there.
On the list.
Are you blind?
Let's see how he makes out now. So now we're going to get some Gorilla Tape. Gorilla Tape's really good. Some heavy duty duct tape. And a socket set that has Allen keys. Doing all right back there? Okay, so we're trying to figure out, guys, which one of these we're using. This is the whole set, and it's hex, but they're rounded face tip hex on a 3/8 drive. And it's all, can you read this? Tell me if that's metric or not on these. See, they also have these individual ones, but we didn't bring the header bolt. We forgot. And they're all millimeters. Here's the whatchacoms up here. Seven-piece. So I think it was like 1/4 inch or 7/32. And they don't have 7/32. Not 7/30. Yeah, 7/32.
Yeah, it's metric.
It
10,
skips.
8, 7.
Right, so that's not going to help us. We would need these, which are not metric. The red, blue is metric, red is what? Standard, probably.
Yep.
Okay, and then here's some shorties. Look, we found shorties too. Let's get the shorties and the longs. Or is that way too much? Do we just need the shorties? Yeah, see, these are square tip, right? Show the difference. These short ones are actually cut exactly.
I think they can tell the difference.
I know, but I'm just saying, you have to explain stuff sometimes. It's just, I don't know what it is with him today. Very in a bad mood or something. So we make lists and we cross stuff off of it.
Okay, now we need acetone and Gorilla Tape then.
What do we need? So we found it. Found the Gorilla Tape right here. Good? Mm-hmm. We're looking for acetone.
One right here. How many
Got
do you
it.
want?
Just one.
Okay.
Christian's going to grab a cart. Let's hope it's not another customer's. Come on this way, quick. Come on. It's the ladies, come on. The bird feeders are out this way. So Meemaw said she wants a shepherd's hook. Okay? Which kind of looks like this. See these guys? Because we can hang 2 bird feeders off of it and stick it in the ground, hold that behind her apartment so she can look out the window. What do you think about that? Okay, we got that. Now we have to find bird feeders and some bird seed. All right, we found the bird feeder. We don't want necessarily the hummingbird ones. Maybe something like this. See? Something like this. Huh? Like that. And then here's a deal here. Or maybe something nice like that. What do you think? Bigger bag than that. I think you got it. Watch out. There you go. Get one of those black sunflower seeds right here. Make sure it's not open. And I'm thinking this yellow thing right here. But how does it hang? There's no hook on the top of it. That's weird, it's broken. Christian's decision is to get 2 of these to hang on each side of the same kind.
Yeah.
He's so boring.
Fun. Then get this one.
Is it plastic?
Yeah. Get this one. It's plastic too.
See, the bronze gazebo ones are gone.
Right here. Scroll boxer. Let's get it.
No. I think you're right. We're looking for one that's a little bit more sturdy so the squirrels won't eat the plastic one. They're all gone. It's basically what we're talking about. Somebody's bought them all. We don't need something so huge. We want something a little dainty. This one would really be good if it had a hook on it.
Dude, you can make it.
I guess this one will do. Hold this. This is the one we're going with right here. This one and this one for each side. So now we need to get what? Anti-seize?
Not here.
Not here.
All done here.
And then get regular bird seed too. A big bag.
Right here.
This is the big bag right here. How many pounds is that? 17. Here's a 20 over here. I'll back the card up. Right there. Cardinal songbird. Oh wait, here's wild bird food. But they're smaller bags. He's so aggravated today.
Get one. Which one do you want me to
This
do?
one right here. She likes cardinal songbirds. She likes cardinals. You know Meemaw likes cardinals, right?
Yeah.
He's struggling today. I don't know why. Okay, can you push the cart towards the 6x6s and we'll check out? Look at the smile on his face. We're going to check out. He's way back there. Look, I burned him up. He got caught in traffic. I'm sure if we walk fast enough, we could dust him. Christian's calling Meemaw right now. She called us. So anyway, with these bird feeders and the shepherd's hook, Mom is going to have to go all the way around outside with help to put bird feed in. He's going to have to get Christian to completely fill the bird feeders up for her every day.
Yeah, today.
So that little visit was $228. That's why I don't like leaving the house. You can't leave the house anymore for less than $100. You go, I'm gonna go to the store, I'm gonna grab some milk and bread and get some gas. Next thing you know, it's $100. So anyway, we're gonna load up. home.